Do you feel the adrenaline rush of a day trade, the need to execute a buy or sell right now to capture a small, fleeting movement? If so, you might be considering a popular, commission-free platform like M1 Finance. But before you jump in, let's be crystal clear. M1 is designed for long-term investing, and its core philosophy fundamentally conflicts with the needs of a day trader. Trying to use M1 for active trading is like trying to race a Formula One car on a quiet residential street. It's simply not built for that speed. So, why is M1 a poor choice for day trading? It boils down to three major limitations that are non-negotiable for active traders. 1. The restricted trading window. This is the biggest hurdle. Day trading requires real-time execution, allowing you to buy and sell multiple times throughout the day as prices fluctuate. M1 doesn't work that way. It is built around a system of trade windows, typically one per day, usually around the market open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Even if you are an M1 Plus member, you only get access to a second trade window at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. This means you are completely locked out of executing trades for most of the day, missing all the intraday volatility that day traders rely on. If a stock spikes at 11 a.m., you can't sell it until the afternoon or even the next day. This makes true day trading effectively impossible. 2. Market orders only. Day traders require precise control over their entry and exit prices. They live by limit orders and rely heavily on stop-loss orders to manage risk. M1 does not offer these essential tools. When you place a trade on M1, it is executed as a market order during the scheduled trade window. A market order executes at the prevailing market price at the moment the trade window opens. This means you lose all control over the execution price. For a day trader where every penny matters, this lack of control is a critical deal breaker that dramatically increases risk. 3. Limited investment options. Active traders often rely on a variety of financial instruments to implement complex strategies. For instance, options trading is a cornerstone of many sophisticated day trading tactics. M1 is limited primarily to stocks and ETFs. It explicitly does not support trading in options, futures, or mutual funds. This narrow scope severely restricts the strategic flexibility needed for advanced, high-volume trading, cementing M1's position as a long-term, buy-and-hold platform. M1 Finance is brilliant for the patient, hands-off investor who wants to automate their portfolio and avoid unnecessary fees. But if you're a day trader, the core design of M1, the limited trade windows, the market order-only execution, and the lack of advanced instruments is fundamentally incompatible with your strategy. You need a platform built for speed and control, not for automation and patience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.